I really love watching Alex climb, I'm just saying. I know we're just friends and all, but it was a lot of fun to watch Alex climbing in VR.
Uh-oh. They've got the street fortified up ahead.
Okay.
You run point, okay? I'll cover you from up here till you reach the far end.
Alright.
When the coast is clear, I'll catch up.
Alright.
Okay, looks like I can get that ladder down to you. Let me shoot out
cool.
the latch.
Okay.
I might be a little rusty with this rifle.
Oh, nice. Alex
Nope,
is sniping
guess I'm
for me.
not.
Heck yeah. What the?
Deleted.
I got no ammo, so that kind of sucks. But I survived that anyway. I guess I can just flip. Oh, I got a brick. That's not a brick. Ammo.
Warning. Blood toxin level detected. Automatic medical systems engaged.
I'm hurting. And I got no ammo at all. Which is, no problem usually in this other game. Can you take them out? No. Bottles. Oh, yeah, she got him. Oh. I'll just let her do the work. Oh, Alex. Ass. So hopefully that'll let me get around this corner. So I'm out of Alex's safety shots. Ooh. Fucker, hey.